Oh yeah, Naples Pier. Naples Pier. What does it say, Max?
It says, built in 1888 as a flight and passenger stop, the Naples Pier stands as a community landmark. Narrow gauge train wheels spanning the length of the pier transported flight and passengers in the early
1900s.
Part of the
structure
as well as the post office located on the pier was razed by the fire in 1922. Rebuilt after damage by hurricanes in 1926 and 1960. It remains a public symbol of the area's history.
Good job, Max.
1888?
1888.
Oh, and they're coming home.
Oh, they're coming home. What's that say?
It says, these sea turtles, mistakes, embody the connection our city has with the Gulf of Mexico and a responsibility to the creatures that live within it. Created by Naples High School 2010 art students, they are meant to remind us of the spectacular animals return to the nest of the beaches of Naples. This project could not have been accomplished without the help and guidance of the City of Naples Public Arts
Advisory Committee. The Big Cypress Basin.
Big Cypress Basin, South Florida Water, the Management District, and the Cocktail Inc. Decided most
dedicated.
Dedicated.
Actually, look inside. Look.
Okay.
Look right there. He's gonna start crawling again.
Okay.
Look. He's gonna come out. Probably. He's alive. You actually saw him. Look at him. See?
Oh yeah. Oh.
There he goes.
Oh look, he's stuck. There he is. There he is. Look. Look, he back came out. He calmed himself. Look. See him?
Is he coming back up in the shell again? Wait. Oh.
Well, get out of the way, Max.
I can't see him.
There he is. Look in the camera.
I can't. Yeah, I see it.
Right there. See him? He's moving. There he goes.
Wow. What's up?
See him? Look at him. Look at him.
I can.
He's moving. There he goes. There he goes. Good catch, Josie.
I know. Someone must be down.
Look at him. Look at him. He's going up. He's going up. Look, he's sucking himself up.
Look at all the ants things.
I know.
I think what's died on the inside. So what's supposed to represent?
Coming home. About
Look how slow he's going. All right, Snail. We got our moment with you. Take care, buddy.
Look,
We're over now here. We're at Naples Pier.
must be food down
We're
there.
getting ready to go to Dairy Queen. We're gonna get us an ice cream. Hallelujah. What do you think about that, Judy?
Yeah.
take the wood.
Yeah. All right. Let's rock and roll.